probably need some more music from you. So, Morgan Noise, you're going to do 2 tunes back-to-back for us now. What are they called and in what order?
The next one's called She Dreamed, and it's a bit more chill. And then the final song is I Put Everything.
Which is the first tune that Johnny sent me.
Yeah, that's what Johnny sent.
And I wanted to play this, but I'm not allowed.
Yeah,
we'll get it tonight. Okay, great. Thank you.
People have started leaving now, I guess I'm leaving too. I'll leave it be, I'll leave it be. Ran so fast to get here, I thought this is where I stop. Running forwards till I drop. She dreamed, but she fell too soon. The falling doesn't hurt till you land too soon. But she fell too soon. The falling doesn't hurt till you land too soon. She fell too soon. The falling doesn't hurt. And she dreamed, but she fell too soon. The falling doesn't hurt till you land too soon. Till you land too soon. Up here from my treetop I will watch the world go by. The roads look soft. The roads look soft. I'm just waiting for the daytime, I'm just waiting for the night, with nothing to find. Now I've seen the bottom, I can't run there with my open arms. I'm just running to some words I thought I liked, and that I wish were mine. She's already overhead, set on different sides. And through the storm she goes, and through the clouds she floats, and through the clouds she floats, and through the storm she goes, and through the clouds she, through the storm she goes, and through the clouds she goes, and through the storm she, and through the clouds she dreamed, but she